3 secret hacks to start winning Upwork jobs today. Watch till the end of this video and you will know how to apply them easily and start winning jobs on Upwork as I do. In 2023, I sent 1,472 organic proposals and got 47 jobs. The conversion rate is 3.2%. If you want to get similar numbers, all you need to do is to add my 3 secret hacks to your proposals. But if you're new here, my name is Anton. On my channel, I talk about building successful remote businesses. But before I reveal all these tips, I just want you to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into it. So hack number 1. Plant the seeds of curiosity in the client's head. A short but wildly effective move is to offer the potential client some reason to contact you for specific information. Of course, you don't have to be manipulative if you have nothing to offer. But here are a couple of examples I use all the time. I have worked with a couple of other YouTube channels in the real estate niche and researched the market and competitors throughout the US. If you are interested, I can send over more details. Or another one. I see that you go all in on the short-form content. We have recently switched the strategy for one of my clients from a similar niche to educational long-form 50% and short-form 50%, showing much better results. If you're interested, let's schedule a call and I will share with you more. The next one always works. Hack number 2. Speak client's language. Another easy method to stand out among competitors is to demonstrate your awareness of the client's niche. As usual, it doesn't take much time to do some quick research and come up with a line that can grab the client's attention. My example. Hi Bob, I would love to edit your videos to match the quality of the Stephen Graham and Ryan Serhant channels. All I needed to do was to research the real estate YouTube and find some successful creators there. Let's move to my favorite. Hack number 3. Make the proposal emotional. We buy on emotion and justify it with logic. Clients come to Upwork to solve problems, and every marketer knows that there is an emotion behind every problem. You just need to come up with the correct message to encourage prospects to hand the problem solving to you. Here is my example. You might feel frustrated to invest time, money and energy but get little outcome. The problem is that the difference between successful and unsuccessful YouTube videos sometimes is a tiny change. We edited hundreds of videos and analyzed thousands to understand best practices and get this specific knowledge. Let us apply our experience and knowledge and multiply your efforts in growing the channel. That's all from me for now. Share the hacks that worked for you in the comments. If you find this video helpful, I appreciate your likes and comments. They help promote the video to reach more freelancers. Send it to your fellow freelancer who is struggling to grow. More tips you can get if you watch the full recap of my first year on Upwork.